Nothing beats the amazing sight and smell of fresh fruits and vegetables, and nothing's better for you. The problem is this amazing produce always seems to spoil in my fridge. Did you know the average American family wastes over $2,000 a year on food that's spoiled in their fridge? Now, there's a simple way to fix this. Introducing BerryBreeze, the powerful fridge freshener that preserves your foods up to 3 times longer. Finally, you can buy the produce you love, knowing it will remain as fresh and nutritious as the day you purchased it. The secret? The patented Fridge Fresh technology that releases activated oxygen in your fridge. BerryBreeze removes bad bacteria, mold, and other harmful microbes by neutralizing ethylene gas, the main cause of food spoilage. BerryBreeze's patented Fridge Fresh technology also cleans your fridge, automatically removing bad odors. Simply place BerryBreeze on the top shelf of your fridge and walk away. It's that easy. Finally, you can free your food from ineffective bags, plastic containers, and woeful wraps. Let your produce lay fresh up to 3 times longer. For anyone who loves to juice or blend, BerryBreeze is a must-have. Nothing works as well as BerryBreeze, and customers agree.
The BerryBreeze is so simple to use. Put in the batteries, put it in the fridge, and it does all the work for you.
Call now or go online to find out how you can try the BerryBreeze risk-free for 30 days. When you order, you'll also get the BerryBreeze Juicing and Smoothie Guide with over 30 recipes and health tips, a $9.99 value, yours absolutely free. There's absolutely no risk. Try BerryBreeze for 30 days. If you're not completely satisfied, simply return it for a full refund, no questions asked. When you order, make sure to ask about free shipping and processing. Your BerryBreeze will start paying for itself the moment you put it in your fridge.
Optimize the nutrition in your fruits and vegetables. Order your BerryBreeze today.
Order now.